3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. The descaling indicator light will flash to remind you when 15 liters of water have been used. Place a container under the brewing head and steam tube. Add the solution to the water tank. Hold and press the ground, single cup and double cup buttons for 5 seconds to start the descaling process. Turn the knob to steam position. The steam indicator flashes. The hot water will go through from the brewing head and steam tube. When hot water stops flowing, turn the knob to the off position. The steam and hot water indicators will illuminate solidly. Clean the water tanks and empty the containers. Then fill the water tank. Repeat the previous descaling steps. After hot water stops flowing, the descaling cycle is finished.